In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emphasis in ElevenLabs for more natural voiceovers. We'll go from logging in to crafting a read that sounds expressive, human, and clear, all while keeping your workflow simple and repeatable. Start by opening your web browser, searching for ElevenLabs, and heading to the official site. On the homepage, choose Login and Sign In with your account credentials. Keep those private and secure, as always. Once you're in, go to the text-to-speech section. This is where you'll write your script, choose a voice, and shape the delivery. Pick a realistic voice that matches your message. Voices from 11 Multilingual V2 are a great starting point for natural, versatile reads. If you've built a custom voice with voice design, that can be even better for brand consistency. Think about your audience and content. Educational content may call for a calm, steady voice, while promotional or storytelling pieces might benefit from more energy and warmth. Before you generate audio, write your text to sound like you'd actually say it. Use contractions like I am, you'll, and were. Vary sentence length to create a natural rhythm. Add pauses where a human would breathe or emphasize a point. Commas and ellipses are your friends for signaling pacing. A comma suggests a short beat, while an ellipsis creates a longer, reflective pause. Keep each sentence focused on one idea so the voice can carry clarity through each line. Next, adjust the voice settings to fine-tune expression. Small tweaks usually go a long way. If you see controls like stability, style, or similarity boost, nudge them gently and listen. Lower stability can add variability and liveliness. Higher stability can keep things steady and consistent. If speed is available, slow it slightly for clarity or speed it up for urgency, but avoid extremes that sound rushed or monotone. To add emphasis and emotion, guide the AI with clear cues in your script. Short hints in parentheses work well, like excited, gentle, serious, or pause. Place them right before the word or sentence you want emphasized. You can also cue specific beats with brief notes like smile or lean in to shift tone subtly. Use these sparingly. They should act like signposts, not traffic jams. If you want a word to pop, you can repeat it or surround it with brief pauses for extra weight. Finally, click Generate or Play to preview. Listen for pacing, energy, and clarity. If something feels off, refine your text, adjust settings, and preview again. Iterate in small passes until the delivery sounds natural and intentional. When the read feels right, you're done.